Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook grilled chicken on a stove. First, choose boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat them very dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that perfect sear. Next, season your chicken generously on both sides with salt, pepper, and any other spices you love. Finally, grab a heavy-bottomed grill pan or a cast-iron skillet, as these will give you the best grilled marks and even cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Place your grill pan over medium-high heat and let it preheat for at least 5 minutes until it's nice and hot. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as canola or grapeseed, to the pan. Carefully place your seasoned chicken pieces into the hot pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook this first side undisturbed for approximately 5 to 7 minutes to develop beautiful, deep grill marks. After the first side has cooked, it's time to flip the chicken. Use tongs to turn each piece over, revealing those fantastic grill marks. Reduce the heat to medium and continue cooking for another 5 to 7 minutes on the second side. The most important step is to ensure your chicken is cooked through. Use a meat thermometer to check the thickest part. It should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safe consumption. Once your chicken is perfectly cooked, remove it from the pan and place it on a cutting board. This next step is crucial for juicy results. Tent the chicken loosely with aluminum foil and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Resting allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it incredibly tender and flavorful. Finally, slice your chicken against the grain and serve it immediately with your favorite side dishes. Enjoy your delicious stovetop grilled chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.